I want you guys to check out my good deed. I'm gonna go up these stairs all the way to the roof because we have a little bird stuck in a skylight. Let's go check it out. We're at least halfway already. You know, somebody that's in shape, you know, play soccer every weekend, you know, should be going up these real quick, no problem. I don't know about the chubby people though. Okay, we're on the roof. It's a long way down. Okay, it's for the second skylight over. So this little guy has got to be here somewhere. Let's check him out. Let's let him loose. Just trying to find a little suit. Oh, here it is. Okay. Once I pull this shit, he's out. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Little bird, you see the little bird right there? Little bird. Lucky fucker. He's stuck right here.